What's up, man? How's it going? I have a quadratic equation with a negative radical that I need to factor. I need your help, bro.
Hi guys, let's help Clay solve his equation. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. Now, first question, is this a quadratic equation? Is it in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0? Yes. If you look at the front of the x squared, there actually is a coefficient of 1. We just don't have to write it down. So we will write a equals 1, b equals 4, c equals 5. Second question, can we factor this quadratic equation? Are there two numbers when you multiply them out equal 5, or when you add them equals 4? There are no two numbers that would actually satisfy that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the quadratic formula to find the two roots of this equation. So we'll start. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And let's write out each step. In case we make a mistake, we can go back and find where our error was. So now we're going to plug the numbers in. So x equals negative, and b is 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5 over 2 times 1. Okay, next step. X equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 times 5, which is 20, over 2 equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 over 2. Now, we notice something. We notice that the radical, which is within the square root symbol, that's called the radical symbol, is negative 4. It's a negative number, and there's no real number that satisfies that. So we're going to apply imaginary numbers in this case. Imaginary numbers help you solve equations like this, and we remember that when we square I, the imaginary number, we get negative 1. So we're going to use that in this case. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus 2i over 2. And the final answer equals negative 2 plus or minus I. Very good. So, we've helped Clay solve his equation. We have found the two roots of x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. We learned something about the quadratic equation. We learned something about imaginary numbers. And the final solution is a complex number which means it's made up of a real number, which is -2, and an imaginary number, which is I. So the final solution is -2 plus or minus I. Thank you very much. This was fun. Thank you.